Hey guys, today I gotta check the brakes on the 2015 Nissan Rogue. It's not no noise, no grinding. Just it's been a while, so I just want to check and make sure how much life I got left on the pads. Maybe put a bit of grease on the glide pins, and yeah, I keep looking at the screen and I forget to look at the lens. But I figured I'd just take you along. If the ground is not too soft, it's been raining non-stop here, so the ground might be a little soft for the jack or whatnot, but hey, we'll see. Now it's going to rain, looks like. Bit of a lip there now. Take the pins off, I suppose. I might have to postpone this. If memory serves me correctly, I think it was a 14. The last time I went to school, it was after 13. And let's run. Just not here. And I don't know if you can, where is it? I can't see it, but there's another one right around here. 14 mil. Take that off. I smell Kentucky Fried Chicken or something. Not this early in the morning. There's no Kentucky Fried Chicken right there. Well, that come off a little easier than I thought. See if I can loosen this out without busting up the camera. Yay! Sometimes life comes together. More times for me, it's just a pot of shit. So, see if I can spread that pad. Oh my, here it goes. With the glasses. Glasses on, glasses off. Alright, let's see if I can get something in there. Well, try taking them off, I suppose, and then spread them with the spreader. Spread them with the spreader. Spread them with the spreader. Well, I'll get a hook. Get a hook for the caliper. I'm guaranteed to step on my glasses and everything. So, let's see. Okay, baby. Don't be too stubborn, sweetheart. You know I loved you. Oh, well, the backing is off. What the hell? Oh, wow. The backing is off, but there's lots of meat left. It's just the backing plate that come off. No big deal. Right? Wait a minute. It's supposed to be a clip assembly. There for you. Maybe you can see. Sorry guys, I mean it's raining. In here, in this cup of the piston, on the brake, supposed to be like 3 pieces of spring, and you push it in and it stays. So, guys, I don't know if that's a big deal or not. Never seen that happen to me. You guys are the, you know, the experts. Me, I'm just a guy pretending to know something. Oh, so make sure your hose is not kinky. Well, guys, that's that one. This one here is, I'll clean it up, I suppose. There's lots of meat, if you can see that. So, glide pins are okay. Might take them out and have another look, but seems okay. All right. Glide pins, still good, but since I got it apart, might as well try to find it right. I mean, if you got it apart and it works. If you're ever doing yours, the anti-rattle is a piece of plastic on the bottom. Sometimes it's rubber, but this is plastic that goes on the bottom. And I'll be right back after cleaning this up. All right. This is the grease I use. Again, I don't know how much you guys are seeing now. It's unfortunate. All right. Put that there to lose it. This is Runny. Runny. Not Renee, but Runny. Shake it up. Shake it up, baby, now. Put that there like this. You don't need a lot. You don't need to go crazy. You're not lathering up your grandma. Put it into the boot seats. Get all the air out. No, I thought there was a hole in it, but oh, look what I got down there. Son of a bitch. That's why I should not be allowed to touch a thing. I should get a spanking every time I say, I think I'll fix something. Put this in here. Make sure the seat, or the rubber boot seats. You're lucky that there's only 2 boots. I would say that every single time. So, now, I don't remember if, well, the flat side you'll see it'll fit in the thing. There's 2 flat sides there, but yeah, we'll fix that when we get around to it. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn this caliper around so I can, like that. I think that deserves to be cleaned up and the rubber boot checked. We shall see. And get my fancy tool, I'm just going to use this channel lock. And it's all the way in. That's what she said. Or is it? Is it? So that's the piston is all the way in. Show you that, I suppose. So right here, I just took the channel lock like that, squeezed it in. Careful that you don't damage this boot. Inspect that if there's any liquid around there. Definitely, you know, you might have to replace the seal or the caliper. I put just a little brake grease, which is rubber friendly, and I just put that around there like this, you know, just as a, I don't know what, just as a precaution, I suppose. I think that looks good, so I'm just going to put everything back, and I got a, well, these clips, you know what, these clips here, should I take them off? And I'm just going to give them a little, you know, these clips, give them a little brush. That's the bottom, and that's the top. You see this spring? Make sure that's on the top, because that keeps the pads in, right? So that should snap and snap in there like that, and then the same for the bottom. Now I'll put a little grease in here for the pads to slide on. So the inside one on first. You know, it wasn't supposed to rain today, and I said, I think I will go and check the brakes. You don't need to do a rain dance, boys. Just ask me to do something. That's it. That's it. And that goes in there. Stay on there, it'd be nice. Over. You can maybe slide just like that, push this in like that, Alright. And you might be able to put your glide pin bolts in. That. And this looks about right. So now tighten them down. The spec, I think is I'll check, but I think it's something like 18 foot-pounds or something like that. It's not much. See if the innard one is coming. Yeah. Anyway, folks, that's all there is to it. I know it's pouring down rain here, so not much I could show you. But like I said, I didn't take the bracket off, I should say. Just took the glide pins off, 14mm. Hang your caliper up, make sure you don't kink your hose, and replace your brakes. On these, they got the spring. Make sure that your pad pushes the spring in, because when you release the pedal, it brings the pads back off of your rotor. Okay, put your wheel back on. But that's how easy it is to do the brakes on these things. If you don't have no trouble, like they weren't done that long ago, but I wanted to check to make sure to grease up the glide pins and just have a look at everything, and everything seems okay. So yeah, that's about it. See you on the next one.